Hi there makers, and welcome back to class. Today's Thursday, and Thursday means another crochet class. And in today's class we've got this super easy beginner friendly crochet purse that is made from two very simple stitches that you already know, which are the single crochet and the double crochet. We'll be using a slip stitch here and there just to close it up and seam up the ends. This is an absolute beginner friendly project, and to achieve this crochet purse we will be using a worsted weight yarn, 5mm crochet hook, a 4mm crochet hook, that button, and a yarn needle or a tapestry needle or whatever it is. At the end of this class you should be able to be making this purse in whatever color you want or whatever style you want. So go ahead and click on enroll. Let me see you. So the tutorial to this crochet purse will be linked. Find the very first link in the description box below. That link should direct you straight to where this tutorial is available. It's available on Skillshare, which you can subscribe to enjoy other crochet classes together with free PDF patterns. Or if you would like, you could just try it out for a month and see how you like it. And in that month you're going to get 4 free patterns, since we're going to be uploading one course every single week, and that comes with a free PDF pattern. So either way you lose nothing. Be sure to enroll by clicking on that very first link in the description box below. And if you already haven't, be sure to subscribe to this channel, because we'll be promising you more lovely free patterns as well as lovely free video tutorials. So be sure to like this video and subscribe.